You know the
They're
new
boring.
Civics, right?
I know, they are so boring.
But the doors slide up and everything.
Do something.
You know, I'm recording you guys talking. And there he goes, walking,
Trying to slide.
walking. Hey, guess what? I posted your pictures on Facebook. Oh my god, my mother loves them. She laughed. It was so funny. Oh, don't cry. No. Oh my god. Not that bad. Oh my god, I showed my brother the videos of you screaming like a girl, like, and he laughed. He pissed his pants laughing.
I got us to sound like Michael Jackson. It's kind of funny. And I got going.
Yeah,
Like,
totally got to. Flippin' nose.
What happened?
I'm videotaping this.
So am I.
Okay, come. Video this guy doing whatever he's doing. Oh, got a phone there. Kelly.
You ever beat up your attitude?
Which one? That one?
Yeah.
Well, let's see it.
Anybody would steal
Try
a
the
phone.
jacket.
Yeah, this isn't a good one. It's not new.
I know. It doesn't matter. It doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter.
People will beat you.
So I want to go walking around.
Right, better.
Exactly. Let's go videotape these little dudes over here. Which is the little dude that hangs upside down on the... Is that one? Look, right there. Let's zoom in closer. My fingers still get fucking cold. Oh yeah, this is good. Oh, this is fucking boring. Okay, now my fingers are fucking freezing. Oh shit, I don't want to swear in this video all the time. Fucking shit. Oh my god. Oh shit, I just about didn't make that. And there's Courtney. The Blair of Courtney. I'm gonna show them your singing one, can I?
No.
Can I show them your singing one?
No.
Please?
I was just making fun of Twinkle Twinkle Little Star.
Please? And there's Amelia. Amelia. I'm recording it.
I make fun of people.
These don't look so serious all the time.
Go be man.
Jeez, my fingers are cold.
Ah, fuck!
Holy.
My fingers are warm. I'm not even wearing gloves.
Get out of my way! Ow! Ow!
Okay, I'm gonna go video cars passing. This is boring. Fuck, it's windy. Oh yeah, here comes the vehicle. There it goes. Vroom. I know. Fuck, my fingers are cold.
Let's watch the one where Alyssa wiped out.
Oh my god, that one is funny.